In this short video, I'll go over the vocabulary for Reading 2 called A Day in the Life, which is in the second reading in Unit 2. We're going to start on page 11 in your textbook, Part A, which is Preparing to Read. First sentence, an employee's paycheck sometimes depends on their work hours. When the employee works more hours, they get a bigger paycheck. When the employee works less hours, they get a smaller paycheck. So depends on. One thing affects the other. Number 2, it's important to balance your work and your personal life. Make sure you're able to spend time with your family and friends when you aren't working. So it's important to balance your work. So balance means you've got two things and you want them to feel right or feel good. So you have your work and you have your home life. So if you work too much and you don't have much of a home life, that's not balance. But if you do some work and you have your home life and they feel good together, we say, okay, that's balance. They're balanced. Second, you spend time with your family and your friends. That means you hang out with them. Spend time is similar to the phrase spend money. So you have money in your pocket and then you spend it, you give it away, or you use it up. And in this case, you use up your time when you spend it. 3, some people sleep during the day and work at night. So during is a period of time. So during the night might be 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. During class, we all laughed. So during class would be 12:45 to say 2:15. Something happened from the start and the end of the class in there somewhere during that period of time. Number 4, my family gave me a big surprise. They had planned a secret party on my birthday. Surprise is an event, a fact, or a piece of news that you did not think would happen. So you're thinking, oh, I'm just going to go home and surprise, there's a big party for you, and you didn't know that was happening. Okay, 5, everyone makes mistakes, but it's important that you realize your mistakes and learn from them. So realize means you become aware that something is true. You understand that it is true now. So you might say, I'm going to go to the beach today, but you didn't realize that it was raining. When you opened the windows and the doors, you saw the rain. Okay, I realize it's raining. I'm not going to the beach today. Number 6, nowadays it's easy to check the schedule of trains and buses through an app. So the schedule is the time. It's like a formal, usually in a box, and it will list different times of day and tell you what you need to do at certain times of day. A schedule might be a calendar where you post appointments. You also have a class schedule. So you meet Tuesday and Thursday, for example, 12:45 p.m. Okay, number 7, last one. We use a weighing scale to measure how heavy something is. So when you weigh something, if you step on a scale, it will tell you how much you weigh, your weight. Measure, you can also measure how tall you are. So maybe you're 5'6" or 6'1". Maybe if you're a basketball player, you're 7 feet tall. Measure is to tell you how heavy or how tall, how much something is.